In the 2019 S-Class. The S-Class is perhaps the only car in the world that doesn't aspire to be something else. The S-Class is a super comfortable and agile luxury sedan and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, leather upholstery, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.